Hey everyone, stop wasting time on coupon codes that don't work and missing out on cashback. Meet Coupert, a browser extension that finds real discounts, offers cashback, and helps you save with zero hassle. Coupert is your AI-powered shopping assistant that helps you save with coupons, cashback, and price comparisons all for free. Coupert automatically searches for and applies the best working coupon codes at checkout, ensuring you never miss out on a deal. It works seamlessly on over 200,000 plus stores, including big names like Amazon, Nike, and Booking.com. But that's not all. Coupert also lets you earn cashback on your purchases, helping you stack up real savings every time you shop. Simply install it in one click and let it do the work in the background. Whether you're buying fashion, tech, travel, or everyday items, Coupert makes sure you get the most value. Join millions of smart shoppers who've already added Coupert to their browsers and start saving instantly. It offers cash back on thousands of stores, including big names like Amazon, Walmart, Adidas, ASOS, and many more. Any cashback you earn is added directly to your Coupert account, and you can easily withdraw it through PayPal, bank transfer, or gift cards. Another smart feature is Coupert's real-time price comparison tool. When you're browsing a product, it checks other major retailers to see if that same item is available at a lower price. No need to open a dozen tabs or search manually. You get the best price right there on your screen. Coupert works seamlessly with popular browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Opera, and Edge. You'll find the link below this video. Just click it to head straight to their website. Installing the extension takes just one click and a few seconds. Once installed, you'll see the Coupert icon in your browser toolbar. Click on it and you'll find a list of supported categories and stores where Coupert offers exclusive coupons and cashback opportunities. Everything from fashion and electronics to home goods and travel. Let's see Coupert in action. Suppose I'm shopping for a bag at Adidas and I found it for $65. I added it to cart. As I head to checkout, Coupert pops up and shows me that the same product is available for less on JCPenney, Amazon, Kohl's, and other retailers. That's the price comparison feature doing its job. But let's stick with Adidas for now and test the coupon feature. Coupert tells me it has found 8 working coupons for this store. I click to apply and Coupert tests each one automatically, selecting the one with the biggest savings. In just a few seconds, it saves me $18.20 on my order. I can either copy the code manually or let Coupert apply it automatically. That's a real discount using a completely free tool. And there's more. After applying the coupon, Coupert shows I can earn up to 5.6% cashback on the same purchase. Cashback usually processes within 15 days, but frequent shoppers often see it confirmed even faster. Once your cashback adds up, you can easily redeem it however you like: PayPal, bank transfer, or gift cards. Let's do another quick example. I'm buying a pair of Steet metal bottle for $48. I add it to my cart, head to checkout, and Coupert pops up again telling me 8 coupon codes are available. I click apply, Coupert tests them automatically, and within seconds it saves me $13.44. Coupert also shows I can earn up to 5.6% cashback on the same purchase. Cashback usually processes within 15 days, but frequent shoppers often see it confirmed even faster. Once your cashback adds up, you can easily redeem it however you like: PayPal, bank transfer, or gift cards. So here's what Coupert gives you: all-in-one free browser extension, automatic coupons at checkout, real cashback on purchases, smart price comparisons as you shop, no extra steps, no hassle, just effortless savings. If you want to start saving, click the link below to add Coupert to your browser and you're good to go. If this walkthrough helped you, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more smart shopping tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss out.